PODIUM stands for Proving Operations of Drones with Initial Unmanned Traffic Management. Using mature available technology, PODIUM contributes to de-risk the operational and industrial deployment of unmanned traffic management by demonstrating a comprehensive web-based UTM system. A key aspect in the project is the use of software to manage the drone traffic. Let's have a look what this means for the daily operations of a drone operator and his crew in BrA. Drones fly in the very low-level airspace. To operate safely and predictably, the drone operator needs to comply with the local rules and regulations, as well as constantly changing circumstances, such as the weather. The drone operator uses the flight planning tool to file his flight plan with the authorities. The PODIUM web tool helps him by prompting him to enter all relevant details and parameters. Before takeoff, the drone pilot takes a final look at the approved flight to ensure everything is in order. The pilot presses takeoff and begins his drone flight. Meanwhile, the authority is able to follow in real time what is going on in his local airspace. He sees the drone flight within the requested perimeter and is able to connect with the pilot if necessary. Having concluded his flight, the drone pilot lands his drone and uses the app to land, indicating the flight is over. In the office, the administrative flow of the flight has been automatically completed for him. He looks through his flights. Starting at BrA, PODIUM ensures a comprehensive and extensive demonstration of the full potential and technology readiness level of the PODIUM UTM functionalities, from before flight to post-flight, with a special focus on in-flight dynamic geofencing. PODIUM is a Horizon 2020 project in the context of SESAR. It uses real-world examples to prove safe drone operations at 4 sites in Denmark, France and the Netherlands. The demo at BrA is only the beginning. More than 185 drone flights will be conducted under realistic operational circumstances. Follow us at linkedin.com, company USpace PODIUM, to stay in the loop of our developments.